Hello everyone and welcome to the Finland Academy and MTech Software. So in the series of a week gone by, we will look at how the week was and what are the key levels for a coming week. So in this week, index has improved near about a 2%. Month till that, index has improved by 4%. So it is maintaining its momentum on the high side. From a sector perspective, in this week we can see that means FMCG sector has given good momentum. It has given the breakout on its charts, followed by the PSU banks and the reality stocks. Nifty is at an all-time high level. Momentum is quite strong and positive. So to understand that means what are the immediate hurdles points for it. So we understand the potential resistance levels from the Fibonacci extension perspective. So to draw the Fibonacci extensions, we are just paying attention to the very initial move. That means Nifty has made its low at around the 7,500 level. This is what is in the first patch, and thereafter big momentum has happened. This is what is second patch. Afterwards, the Nifty is continuing its momentum on the high side. So we are just trying to draw the Fibonacci extensions, and this is what the values that we have. By selecting its low point to its high point and intermediate low, and if we release our Fibonacci extensions at this point, so we can understand that means there was a good momentum, and right now the prices are at a 200% extension of the very first leg. Fine. In the same way, if we pay attention to its immediate move, that means market has made its low point over here. All the way it has tried to pick up its momentum, and thereafterwards the mild declining momentum has happened, and from that the inception point of upside has started. So if I draw the Fibonacci extension over here, so we can see that there is a kind of a confluence. So 200% of the first move and the 161.8% of this particular move is at almost the same level. Means this is what 13,500 level around we can say. So we are at a resistance level, but in a positive structure the resistance doesn't have that much value, because as far as we are not violating the support levels or any short-term support levels, the things are quite fine. Because the negative structure is not, so that means there has to be the resistance. Resistance is just an half part of the equations. Respecting the resistance and violating the support, it indicates that there is what a negative momentum is happening, and this is what not a predictive analysis but a following analysis. Let's say if the prices keeps on improving on the high side and 13,500 600 levels taken out on the high side, so what can be the next best levels? So within Fibonacci extensions level, we can understand that near about a 14,000 level, which is again the confluence of these two particular extensions, can be the potential level on the higher side. So this is what the scenario from the upside and where we are now, and if these levels are iron out and market kept on moving on the higher side, so what are the next best levels in that scenario? Now coming to the daily chart to understand our immediate support levels. So as far as the immediate support levels are concerned, so we can say that this is what the immediate support levels we can say, the 13,100 level, because prices has made a expanded range candle. It has stuck for a couple of days and finally it has given the breakout. So as per the role reversal concept, this resistance has turned out to the support, and this is what a 13,100 level. So as far as the 13,100 level is intact, the things are fine, market remains in a positive territory. As of now we are at a resistance, that is what a 13,500 level, but once the 13,500 level is sustained and the market keep on moving on the high side, so next best resistance levels comes at around 14,000 level. So this is what the broader scenario of a Nifty for a coming week. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.